Hello everybody, this is going to be very quick. I always say that. I've got some shoes here for you to look at with your eyes. It says that on there, look. Nice sunny day. They're a 9.5, so I don't know whether they're going to fit me. I think they're Spinxter's shoes. Spinxter, he sings songs and stuff. There, look. Alright? Is that enough? Show you the back. That's all 3M. We've got the 3M right on. Hang on. Yeah, look, she's supposed to be 3M on there. Why is it not lighting up? Oh god, it's supposed to light up anyway. It's rubbish. That is 3M, you can tell because it feels all nice. Right, okay. There's a tiger in there. There, look, tigers. This is made out of real platinum silver. Why do I always have some Facebook post pop up and then I go to swipe it out the way and guess what happens? I accidentally press it. This is nice. That looks, if you're just treading on a black carpet, which I will do. Hello butterfly.
Oh, hello Dangerous. Lovely pair of shoes there. Lovely.
Sweet, isn't it?
What now?
Shut up.
Pat there, he's licking himself. Yeah, silver here. That's real silver. Probably not real silver. And that's 3M as well. This is mesh. Oh, it's like Zippy, ain't it? Just shut up, Zippy, and zips his gob up. Right, this is that mesh one. I haven't got any of them yet. See that? No, probably not.
These ones here have the mesh. I hope to get these ones very soon. Aren't they lovely?
It's got like a mesh, but it's got holes underneath. So if you there, oh, I'm not very good at this, am I? I think it will say that I am, bless him, old Kippy. Shout out to Kip. I don't know his second name. I can't pronounce it very well. Oh no, there's a scratch on that. That's broken. Is that smashed? That's broken.
So easy. I haven't broken a leg off a table.
It's broken. What? Has that snapped? Oh, thank God for that. It's a bit of dirt, look. I thought that was a crack across there. I nearly shit my pants. Can't say shit my pants, can you? Sorry, I didn't shit my pooped my trousers. I nearly... Don't, you're going to piss your trouser. This Indian guy said, go to the toilet, you'll piss your trouser, he said. I nearly pissed myself laughing when he said that. No, right, so...
Shut up, Zippy! Got bloody zip on it.
Right, this has got no colours on here. That there. Can't do anything without him. Background. Such a gobby. Right, so this is TPU caging around the edges there. It says Shocky Spinxter's there. Spinxter Shox. And yeah, there they are. So,
hey!
Something just spot me on. Bit me. Spot me? Spotted me. Got it on the bot. Stop licking, it's always licking himself, so it's such a terrible bastard. Right, so yeah, that goes up, look, you can rub your finger on there. Am I even on it? I'm not on it. What a crap box. What an absolute crap box. I'll show you this, I'm not going to put them on my feet. It's a lovely day though. There's people next door, so I couldn't... there, look, nice, ain't it? I think it's got rubbish with the red things on these thingies here. Yeah, I just tapped it because I haven't got there. These.
Shut up!
Right, I'm going.
No, shut up!
See you later.
Stop shouting!
What for fuck's sake? He doesn't understand. But all I can hear is him gobbing off in the background. There's the line in the background. Shut up! Like that. Trampy lots. Looks like an old tramp lot. She's had your haircut now. These are nice, these bits. Shut up! God, you wouldn't put on
What
it.
did you lock that for?
Locked what? Don't lock the door. Why have I locked it? Because I have.
What?
I'm trying to record now. I've only got about 30 seconds left. Sorry about that. Some idiot's been shouting all the way through it. So there they are. 3M on the back. mesh. That's about it. I'll put it on my foot tomorrow. I'll put this on now. I can't edit it. I can't cut out someone going meow 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 all the way through it. Thanks very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and do what you want. Really. Thanks very much. I'm nearly, yeah, subscribe. Nearly at 450. Thanks very much. It's going to finish any second. It's